Hello everyone, my name is Ronaldo Diaz Jr. So we move in another coding exercise number 4. So in this video I will describe the coding exercise number 4. So we use import Java util scanner in this code. So this imports the scanner class, which allow the program to take input from the user to the console. So ang main class na to ani kay ang sorting exercise. This is the main class where the sorting methods and the main logic of the program are defined. So na ito yung mga methods dira na bubble sort, insertion sort, and selection sort. So bubble sort goes by repeated swapping adjacent element of they are in the wrong order. The largest element bubbles up to the end of the array each pass. Is thus that the array multiply times, gradually sorting that array from largest to smallest. So sa bubble sort, kung kinsa tong pinakagamay, mo tong pinakauna, para tong pinakadako mo tong na pinakahuli sa largest to smallest. Mo nang kuan bubble sort. Insertion sort build the sorted arrays one time at a time. So it takes the element from the observed portion, placed into the correct position in the sort position. So ang insertion sort, kung kinsa tong pinakagamay, butang niya to sa pinakauna niya, tong pinakadako na number mo tong butang niya sa pinakalas. Ang kuan lang ani kay sa insertion sort, mahanap siya og pair niya kung kinsa ang dako o gamay niya. Kung dako ang iyang kuan, ang iyang tapad niyang isa gamay, mag-change na sila. Ang gamay mao nang mauna, ang dako mao nang sa kuan sa last. So selection sort, static void selection sort in R's. Selection sort finds that smallest or largest element from the unsorted part of the array and swap in with the first unsorted element. So sa kuan selection sort, ihati nimo ni kuan kaupat nya, i-bayro nimo kuan in a two pairs and 4 pairs. Kanina selection sort, mag-select siya og kuan pinakagamay sa pinakadako. Kung kinsa tong gamay, mo tong ma-change niya sa kung kinsa tong dako number, mo tong kuan selection sort. Help methods, print array, static void print array in R. This method prints that sort array to the console with each number separated by space. So ang main method nato ani kay publish static main string args. So this is the main part of the programming where the user interact with it. Take user input that program as the user is to input a series of number separated by space by space. So kung tahay na ikuan Example 53842. So mag-separate na sila kuan by space. Laylay sila kuan position. So sa choose sort algorithm, the use of selection with sort algorithm to use by entering an number 1 from the bubble sort to 4 insertion sort and or 4 selection sort. So kaning tulo ka sort na gamit nato morning sa kuan sa algorithms. So ang mga bubble sort, insertion sort and selection sort. Display sort an array after sorting the program. Prints that sort array using the print array methods. So example, magbutang tag switch chose. So case 1, case 2, case 3. Butang nato dito system out print sort array using bubble sort. Morning ma-print dito. Kung sa case 2, system out print sort array using insertion sort. Sa case 3, system out print sort array using sort selection sort. So morning kuan pag magbutang taan ni sag kuan switch, morning ma-print niya dito kung unsa to na mga number na gibutang sa kuan sa bubble sort, insertion sort of selection sort. So magbutang tag break dire para matapos na ang pag kaniya coding. Based on the user choose corresponding sorting algorithms that execute if the using enter invalid choose. The program prints individual choose and super. So kung mag-print ka kuan bubble sort and insertion sort, selection sort, so na siya kuan individual choose na kuan murag ay siyang sariling kuan code na kuan niya murag behavior na sila sariling behavior sa pagbutang og code sa kuan selection sort, insertion sort and bubble sort. Bubble sort repeated swap agent element using that array inserted, and selection sort insert that elements into its current position in the sort of portion. Selection sort find the smallest elements and swap in with the first or sorted elements. Using interaction, the program tags input from the using allow them to choose a sort algorithms and display that sort result.